Hey everybody, it's Catherine. Welcome to my channel where we talk all things beauty and fragrance. So today we are doing a little bit of a get ready with me. I got the new Chanel bronzing cream in the medium color. And y'all know, if you watch my channel, I already had the deep bronze shade, which I bought last summer. As you can see, I put a decent dent in it. I heard that with the coconut oil, these don't last as long, so I wanted to make sure I used up about as much as I could before it went bad. Today we are going to be doing half of my face with the deep and half of my face with the medium and see which shade we liked better. So if that sounds of interest to you, please stick around. So I got my Le Beige in Soleil Tan Medium Bronze. Pull it right out. There's no felt velvet cover like you get sometimes with Chanel. I did get it from the Chanel online, so you get the gift box enclosed, little sachet of samples, 2 samples, but we are just going to get right into it. So I'm going to do this face with the light. I'm excited to see. You have the plastic covering. Remove that. Looks like soft serve ice cream. So I'm just gonna, I hate to use my finger, but finger apply just in the center. Apply it to my skin so you can see the shade. In comparison with the deep. So you can see one is considerably darker than the other. Both have a bit of a reddish undertone. So I'm going to get my Sigma Small Contour F05. Just going to apply it into, and then I tap. And with bronzer, you want to apply it where the sun would naturally hit your face. So your cheekbones.
So high up.
And then just along the chin. You guys see that color? I hate getting it on my hair. Yikes. I'm getting all sweaty because of the heat. Now, we'll do the deep. Again, same brush. And again, those highest points of your face where the sun would hit. I always thought the deep bronze was just a bit dark for me. But I don't know, right now in this light, I almost like it better. What do you guys think? So now I am going to finish off my look here. I'm going to Tom Ford Frantic Pink, using my XOXO. Dior Backstage Rosy Glow, same brush. Just gonna get a little bit, give myself a bit of a pink highlight. I forgot concealer, so I'm gonna go do concealer and mascara, and I'll be back. So I finished it off with concealer, mascara, and I used my Armani Luminous Silk Concealer in 4, and then mascara, I did Dior Blackout as well as my Dior Eye Maximizer, and then finished it off with Dior Addict Shine Lipstick in 628 Pink Bow. So there you have it. let me know in comments what shade you like the best, whether it be the medium bronze or the deep bronze. Truly undecided at this point. I think I need to play around with them a bit. I thought the medium would be for sure it, but I don't know. I do have self-tanner on right now too, so maybe that probably definitely makes a difference. Though I didn't do it very dark. It's probably just like a shade darker than my normal skin tone. So I don't know. Please let me know in comments what you guys think. I'd love to hear. Again, this is Katherine. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please make sure to like it and hit subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be informed when I post new videos. If there's anything in particular you guys would like to see a video on, please also comment below so that I can be providing you guys with what you want and what you're interested in. But as always, I appreciate you all. I love you all, and I will see you soon. Mwah. Bye-bye.